Okay, Lamai. So today we start our 2026 class and discuss about Unit 1. So let's go through what we have done today, right? So in Unit 1, we have discussed about few things, right? So I'll do a quick recap. So we discuss about the structure, scope and importance of biology. Biology is the study of living organisms. Concept of life has no acceptable definition. Primary branches are zoology, botany and microbiology, and there are several areas: cell biology, histology, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, genetics and ecology. Then we discussed about the issues pertaining to biology. So biological diversity, the life is formed around 3.5 billion years ago. The first formed organism is heterotrophic, anaerobic and prokaryotic organism. Due to evolution, there is an extensive biodiversity. There are more than 10 to 100 million species and there's a dynamic relationship between living and inanimate world. Then human body and its function. By studying histology and anatomy, human anatomy, you can understand the human body and its function. Right? Sustainable use and management of natural resources and environment. What are the natural resources? The sources of material and energy found naturally used in everyday life for economic development. So it is limited. Due to increase of the growth rate, overuse happen, so the natural resources depleted. So overexploitation will cause environmental problems like environmental pollution, loss of biodiversity and desertification. Then sustainable food production. What is the meaning of sustainable food production? Production of sufficient amount of food for human population using environmental safe methods. So human population, it's around 7 billion and it will double within next 40 years. So methods of sustainable food production are the high yield varieties of plants and animals, disease resistant varieties of plants and animals, improve the post harvest technology. Right. Then the plant life, plants are the primary producers. All animals depend directly or indirectly on plants. Diseases and causes, knowledge need to maintain healthy life. You can get when you study about diseases and causes, you can get the knowledge to need which is needed to maintain a healthy life. There are non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Like non-communicable diseases like cancer, heart disease, diabetic, chronic kidney disease, and communicable diseases like dengue and HIV, AIDS. Right? Then solving legal and ethical issues by using DNA fingerprint, we can solve legal issues like parentage testing, criminal investigation, and solving immigration disputes. Then we discuss about the nature and organization pattern of living world. The diversity is based on size, shape, form and habitat. What are the form? Unicellular, multicellular. There are some characteristics of organisms. They are order and organization from molecule level to the biosphere. It is needed to perform biological activities effectively. Then metabolism is the sum of all chemical activities, catabolic and anabolic reactions. Growth and development. Growth is the irreversible increase in dry mass, while the development is irreversible change occur during the lifespan. These are two consequence processes. Then irritability and coordination. Irritability is the ability to respond to stimuli from internal and external environment. The movement occurs as a result of irritability and coordination. In animals, it's a coordinated effort of nervous, hormonal, muscular and skeletal systems. Then adaptation is the peculiarity of structure, physiology and behavior promotes survival and reproduction. Reproduction is the ability to produce offsprings for continuous existence of species. Heredity and evolution. Genes control specific physiological, morphological, behavioral characters of organisms and they will be passed from generation to generation. Evolution is the ability of organisms to change over time due to as a result of a genetic modification, right? Non-living entities may have one or more characteristics, but not all of them. For example, crystals grow, waves move. But living organisms display all these characteristics simultaneously or at some point of the life cycle, right? Then hierarchical levels of organization of living things. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. What are the hierarchical levels? Molecules, organelles, then cells, tissue, organ, systems, organisms, population, community, ecosystem and biosphere. That's what we have done today. දැන් බලන්න ළමයි ඕක බලන්න මහ ලොකු වෙලාවක් යන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි නේ. So that's all for the day. I'll stop the recording ළමයි. Okay then. Right.